listening to me again. Then guys, today's video is going to be very essential for all of you. Why? Because in this video I'm just going to tell you what look at. Speak English with confidence. What I am going to tell you today, how to speak English with confidence. I mean to say, if you want to speak English with confidence, so this video is only for you. And I would like to request everybody, please watch the video till the end, because in this video I will tell you three techniques. In this video I will tell you three techniques from which you can gain confidence in your communication. Okay, so this video is going to be very wonderful. So watch till the end. Now look at what the first point is telling. You love the way what you speak. What the first point is telling, you love the way what you speak. It means whatever you speak, first of all you should like your own communication. You know, so many people hate their communication. I have seen so many students and so many people, they don't like their own speaking. You know, it is the biggest reason to not gain confidence. Are you getting? If you don't like your communication, so how can other like your communication? I mean to say, first of all, you should love the way. You should love the way what you speak out. Whatever you speak, you should never hate. Okay, you should appreciate your speaking, because as we know, charity starts from home. Charity starts from home. So first point is that first of all you love the way what you speak. Then only you can gain confidence. It is the biggest point to gain confidence, and gradually you will improve your communication. I can understand you must be thinking, sir, our voice is not good, our pitch of voice, our tone is not good, our accent is not good. Don't worry. First of all, you love the way, and after some time it will improve automatically, and you can analyze. Okay, so you should think about this point. What? You love the way what you speak. Okay, don't think about other thinking. Okay, you know, mostly person stop speaking because other people comment something wrong. You know, other people comment something wrong, then we stop speaking in English, and we also lose our confidence. Okay, so we should never lose our confidence while we are talking correct or incorrect. It is another way. Okay, it is another task. First of all, you love the way what you speak. Okay, so if you follow this technique, so you can gain confidence in your communication. Now let's talk second point. What the second point is telling, while speaking don't tell a lie. You, whenever you speak any language, whether it is English or any other language of the world, we should never tell a lie while speaking. You know, we want to impress to other. You know, with the help of communication, what I am speaking at this time, not only I, but also everybody wants to impress. Everybody wants to impress to other while speaking English, isn't it? But you know, I have seen many people, they tell a lie. While speaking, they tell a lie. That's why they can't speak with confidence. You know, telling a lie gives us negativity. Telling a lie gives us negativity. So I want to tell you, while speaking English or any other language of the world, we should not be fake. We should not be dishonest. Whatever you know, you can speak with honesty. You know, so we should not exaggerate the thing. Okay, so it is the second technique from which you can gain confidence in your communication. What? While speaking English, we should never tell a lie. Okay, and while speaking any language of the world, we should always be honest. Whatever knowledge we have, we should give, we should provide correct knowledge to our audience or to our public. You know, if you want to speak publicly, if you want to become a public speaker, so this point gives you confidence. What? While speaking, we should never tell a lie. Okay. Now let's jump on third technique. Confidence comes from practice and diligence. What is the third point? Confidence comes from practice and diligence. It means, you know, there is no shortcut of success. As we know, there is no shortcut of success. So, for gaining confidence, what we should do? Confidence comes from practice and diligence. So, what should we practice? You know, for speaking English, we should practice 4 things. We should practice 4 things from which we can gain confidence in our English communication. What are these? I am just writing down. These are 4 things: listening, speaking, and reading and writing. Okay, so for getting confidence in your communication, for getting confidence in your English communication, you should follow these techniques. You should practice. Actually, as I have written here, confidence comes from what? Practice and diligence. So you should practice all these elements of English, and you should be diligent while practicing. While practicing, you should be hardworking. What? You should practice of listening, and you should also practice of what? Speaking. You should also practice of reading, and at the end, you should practice of writing. Okay. If you practice of them, then we also know practice makes a man or woman perfect. So gradually you will get perfection, and you will also get confidence. So these are the 3 points which can boost your confidence, and publicly you can speak fearless, isn't it? So follow this technique. Okay, again I want to recap all these points. What is the first point? You love the way what you speak. You love the way what you speak. What is the second technique? While speaking, don't tell a lie. While speaking any language, don't tell a lie if you want to gain confidence. Third one is confidence comes from practice and diligence. So it was all about this class, and I hope you must have understood. And if you like my videos, so please comment. Please comment how you feel while watching my videos, and are these good or not. If you don't want to subscribe, doesn't matter, but please comment that are you liking them or not, and what improvement you want from my videos and from me also. Okay, because I'm making videos in a simple method. I'm making videos in a simple method because I don't have digital board and all these things, but I'm trying to give my level best. Yet there is any fault in my videos, so please do comment in comment box. And that's it for today. Jai Hind.